Welcome back to Lames Farm, and for today's video we will show you how we make our natural medicine / immune booster for our plants and animals. Learning this method will really able you to save hundreds of pesos because, as we all know, medicines are expensive for both humans and animals. So let's go, accompany me as I buy brown sugar, one of the main ingredient of the natural medicine we're gonna make. I will show you a little of our village as well, and the typical Filipino convenience store, which you can only see in our country. We actually used to use molasses as it is cheaper than brown sugar, but thanks to our viewers, there are many of them who suggested using sugar as it is the most effective material, as they said. I'll show you the comment. I will paste it here so you can see the reason why sugar is better than molasses. Just trying to show you some amazing, beautiful details here in our area. And this is our very authentic bridge. A very typical ancient Filipino. See? That's how resourceful we are in some ways. So in here, I will not talk much. I will just show you a little view of our village. So this is our convenience store here in the Philippines. Very authentic. I think you can only see this here in our country, where you can buy everything you need in retail. So we are buying brown sugar for 23 pesos every 250 grams of it. So we are going to buy 750 grams, and that's gonna be 69 pesos. So take note of our expenses, and later on I will show you the other ingredients. So we only need 2 materials for this one. So we're now going back to our farm. So this is the other main material that we need, which is ginger, and we got it from our garden. So the only thing we bought here is the sugar, and we are going to wash the ginger very carefully because we are going to ferment this, and we make sure that it's clean. So we will slice the ginger into smaller pieces so the microbes can break down the nutrients faster. We always tell our viewers that we use glass jar because we prefer this rather than plastic, because it is easy to clean. So for your information, this is called Oriental Herbal Nutrient, or OHN for short. It revitalizes crops and activates their growth. It also prevents the growth of anaerobic bacteria, and it also serves as a natural medicine in organic farming. So it's very essential to have this always available at your farm, because there are really times wherein we cannot control the health of our animals and plants. So better have this always available in your farm. So we will now mix ginger and brown sugar, and we will use basin to thoroughly mix them together. And we will put it in a glass jar and cover it with tissue. But since we don't have tissue right now, we will use anything that's available. And we have here coffee filter. You can use any material that can serve as a cover, as long as the air comes in and comes out of the glass jar. And make sure to label it also, because after 1 week we will get the first extract. This will actually take up to more than 3 weeks, but we can already use the first extract after a week. And now, since the weather is very hot, we will make a natural juice made out of the plants that we have in the garden. And what we have is lemongrass and basil. This is really a very refreshing juice, which you can try it in your home as well. All you need to do is use a blender and blend the ingredients all together, which are the lemongrass, basil, ice, brown sugar, and water. This is healthy and cheaper than those juices that we buy at a grocery store. So if you have a lot of lemongrass or basil at home, you better have this. Now let's try it. So regarding the OHN, we will get the first extract after a week, so make sure to subscribe to this channel.